What's going on, YouTube? Picking you up. We're here with another video. Today we're going to Buff X to get some stuff put on. It's in the back. I got a front lip, tail light tint, and a wicker bell I'm finally putting on. So we're on our way there right now, and I'm about to go get that all put up together. And then we're gonna get this all situated. So I'll pick you guys up. We're on the road and getting this shit moving. Alright? Alright, what's going on? Picking you guys up. I came here to pick up gift, and then I'm about to be on my way to Buff X. It's a 20-minute drive. I can't focus. 28 minutes to there. Probably gonna make it less. Alright, I'll see you guys when we're on the road. Hey, but I need you guys to make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this one. Right, good? Oh.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, let's get into it.
So I'm just gonna let you know that we will find a new dad. Oh yeah, I know he didn't really mean to me. So you put me in prison for no reason.
No, I mean, I could have given that. My mama did it probably in life, but she got no little paperwork.
I'm waiting right now. I don't know if we're gonna get this done today. Probably gonna have to wait for another day because I'm waiting in here. Looking at that though, let me know. Should I wrap the car soon? Is that a good idea? I got all these bumpers. The 4Gs, throw those on the Scat. The gold ones. You know where we at. Alright, but I'll pick you guys up. Throw one of my videos on. I'll see you guys in a second. I got it. Okay, yeah. Damn, bro. Yo, what's going on? I'm still waiting right here. She's sitting here. We're still waiting on it. It's been a couple hours, but we're pushing through.
Buff X after hours.
Yeah, we're here after hours. Hey, but we'll be back. I got more treats planned, but for now we're just waiting still. Alright, I'll pick you guys.
Said he's seeing double, huh?
You got a picture of the tail lights?
It's that exact tail light right there.
Same exact
Yeah, that's that tiger print.
I got you. So just
to your hood. We'll put nice tape around this, and it'll be a little bit of blue around it. We'll keep that satin black.
Or you can just have the Emperor.
Oh, like
Yeah,
get
no,
the,
leave
get
this on here.
Oh, I see what he's saying.
Yeah.
That would look sick. So keep this like and just wrap around that. I didn't even think about that. You guys could match that satin on it?
Yeah.
Bro, cameraman.
Oh, it's a daytona guy.
Great. You stupid. Cross up.
Alright, change of plans. Like a little extra came through. About to give the side markers tinted too. That was last minute, but we're doing it. Who cares, right, Kev? It's worth it. Might as well, we're here. BuffX after hours for show this time. I was wrong last time. We're just here chilling. Watching the 1320 races out here. Alright. Should be done soon. Oh, I'm zoomed in. I'll pick you guys up. I think I'm dropping these soon. For sure. For sure. I like the blue LEDs. Are you showed it on that? Yeah, that's what I'm talking. How we feeling? We should cop one of these next week. Let me know. I would have been here even longer if it was for this. We got options. What we thinking? What we thinking? Comment down below. Comment down below. We going this? I'm really liking this. That would be a crazy switch up. What I was talking about is the name, Indigo, and then the changing the color is crazy. Just rocking with the bright orange. That's hard. The carbon. Thinking about getting one of them Hellcat hoods. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know. Let me know. Alright, she just got done. I'm about to go see her in a second. Just waiting. We're about to see the reveal. Get ready for it. It's been a long time coming. Oh yeah, you're good. Thanks. The kill switch now. Thank you, bro. Yo, you got one too, bro.
No way.
Hey, they hooked it up with the lanyard. Alright, I gotta get this.
I'm gonna record you backing it out.
Yeah. Got the splitter done. Got the tail light. Get the wicker on the tail light. Hey, thank you, Buffett. We'll be back. We'll be back. Boom. Hey, we just got done leaving BuffX now. Shout out to them. Thanks, Sam. Hey, I met Crazy. Crazy. I bumped into Fast Life Nick in there. I didn't want to get it on camera. I thought it was more personal, you know. Kept it like that. But he talked to me. Hey, hyped me up. We're gonna keep going. One day, hopefully, the Fast Life Nick Indigo collab's coming. You'll see. Watch. Stay tuned for that. But hey, we're on our way. I'm about to drop Gitpa. Probably call it a day after today. Alright? So I want you guys to tune in for the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.